As winter approaches, the threat of blizzards looms large, capable of dramatically impacting communities and environments. Blizzards are defined by strong winds and heavy snowfall, reducing visibility to near zero and creating treacherous conditions. One of the most severe effects is the disruption of daily life, with roads becoming impassable and emergency services hindered. To stay safe, it's essential to prepare an emergency kit with essentials like food, water, and blankets, and have a communication plan ready. Always stay informed by monitoring weather forecasts and advisories, and if you must travel, consider delaying until the storm passes. By understanding these risks and preparing accordingly, individuals can ensure their safety during harsh winter storms.